Hello, everybody. This is just a quick message here today to help a lot of you out there who are going through this drama of I'm trying this, I'm doing that, and for some reason it's just not working. What happens is a lot of times, and you may relate this, you may not, is we get in tune with who we're teaching, who we're learning from. We look at our mentors, we look at the gurus, we look at people who are already established in the marketplace. What happens is when we look at the people who are already established in the marketplace, a lot of these people have been at it for 20, 30, 40 years. I mean, that is a long time. They've already established their tribe, they've already established their rhythm, they have a consistent work mode that they do every single day. Well, if you're just starting out and where you're at right now, you will not be in that work mode yet because you're just getting started does not mean you can't take direction. One thing I wanted to ask people, if you have the ability or if you have the option, I should say, is ask them, what did you do in the beginning? What steps did you take when you're starting out? Just like the teachings that I give you on a regular basis on how to learn content, on how to start your videos, different steps like that is I always go back to what I learned how to do when I started, whether it be in real estate or whatever it is you want to get into or that you're into now. You may need to learn how to do sales funnels. You may need to learn how to do video ads. Whatever it is, ask the people or get into a group or a team of people where they share what they did in the beginning. That will take you to learn all those steps. And you can learn from their mistakes. I always like to help people to learn from my mistakes because my mistakes were huge in the beginning. They were huge because I didn't know what I was doing and I did it all wrong. Think about that. You may not be getting the income you want yet. You may not be getting the responses you want yet, but that's okay because you have the ability within you to reach out to people who are already doing this, but ask the right questions. Don't ask, okay, how did you get those sales right there? How did you do that? Well, they have a lifetime of experience to back them up. Most of these people. We have a lifetime of experience. So change your question to what did you do when you were starting out? How did you start to build your tribe? How did you start to build your following? What can I do to build my following? Change your questions, okay? This is so simple, but yet it's so hard, and people just are reluctant to ask these simple questions. But when you ask these simple questions, then you will get the right answers, okay? And that's where it all gets boils down to is these people, all the gurus, everyone out there, and I don't like to put myself in that category, but we've been at this for years. Some of us are just flourishing in network marketing. Other of us, they like real estate. I prefer real estate. But there's other avenues, different businesses you can do, like coffee. You can do like wine, love wine. You can do, different areas of entrepreneurship to build incomes. So take a look at each one, but ask the gurus, ask the teachers, ask the mentors, what did you do when you started out? What were the steps you did in the very beginning? This will help you to get to that next level. This will help you to reach the end of your rope and say, "Hey, now I know what I need to do. Now I know what I'm doing. Now I know it's all coming together." Okay? It is that simple.